Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, introduce my name Dita Syafitri. Here I will explain about identifying the components of the research paper. Table of the content. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, research method. Number 3, result and section. Number 4, consolation. The student mathematical creative thinking ability of junior high school through problem-solving approach. Haris Hendriana Vika Muji Fadila, Institut Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan Siliwangi, SMP Negeri 2 Cimalaya Kulon, Karawang. Number 1. Introduction. Research problem. Let the show that students are less motivation to learn, student attention to learning outcomes or value obtained by students seem to expect what they are and recite, even when they get a score below the complex criteria, even if the student does not want to make improvements. Sumarno, Hidayah, Zulkarnain, Hamidah, dan Sariningsi, 2012. So that the ability of mathematical creative thinking of junior high school students is still slow. This can be seen from the value of the 7th grade daily math test of SMP Negeri 1 Cimalaya Wetan, consisting of 32 students to 22 students, of whom still have difficulty in solving problem in the form of high-level thinking question that involve various concepts, and only 7 other students who can solve the problem. Thus, only 28% of students from 13 students were able to solve the problem. The main factor of the low ability in the mathematical creative thinking of students is influenced by the learning approach used by the teacher. The teacher conspired the material and provides sample question without involving student interaction and opinion and analysis, so that student thinking according to what is conveyed by the teacher, student creative thinking skill are less developed. The aim of the research. The study aims to examine the achievements and improvement of mathematical creative thinking skill of students whose learning use a problem-solving approach, comparison of the two using ordinary learning, and then implementation of learning step using a problem-solving approach in the pilot. Number 2, research method. The method in the study is a quasi-experimental method because there is instrument manipulation, where the experimental class using a learning with a problem-solving approach, and the control class using ordinary learning. Before getting treatment first, both classes are given an initial test, pre-test, and after receiving treatment, the two classes are given a final test, post-test. Respondent. The population in the study were all students of SMP Negeri 1 Cimalaya Wetan, with the sample subject are 2 class 7, while the sample is selected 2 classes randomly, where all the experimental class obtain learning with the problem-solving approach, and the control class referred ordinary learning. Class 7 as an experimental class and class 7 as a control class. Number 3. Result and dissection. Result and dissection. Result. From the result of these two tests, another quantitative data is obtained, namely the data gain of student mathematical creative thinking ability. Data processing is done using SPSS 210 for Windows software. Table 1. Description of research result. Key ability of experimental class mathematical creative thinking is better than control class means in stressing the ability to think mathematical creative using a problem-solving approach, better than those using ordinary learning. The results of homogeneity variance test obtain homogeneous data. Table 2, significant test result of the difference is to a reference score. The ability of students to think mathematical creative in the test, there is no significant difference between those who will use problem-solving learning with those who will using ordinary learning. Table 3, significant test result for difference into a protest score. The achievement of mathematical creative thinking ability of students who use a problem-solving approach is better than those who use ordinary learning. Table 4, significant the threshold for difference in the two average and gain index. The increase in mathematical creative thinking skill of students who learn using a problem-solving approach is better than those who use ordinary learning. Dissection. Based on the data processing above, show where the achievement and improvement of mathematical creative thinking ability of students who are learning use a problem-solving approach is better than those using ordinary learning and the implementation of learning step by using a problem-solving approach in the field. This results in the life win Oponius, Sumarno Hidayat, Zulkarnain Hamidah, dan Cariningsih 2012 state by the implementation of mathematical learning using a problem-solving approach can improve student creative thinking ability in learning mathematics. Number 4, consolation. Based on the results of research and data analysis, it can be concluded that number 1, the achievement of the mathematical creative thinking ability of students who learning use a problem-solving approach is better than those who use ordinary learning. Number 2, improvement of the mathematical creative thinking skill of students who learning use a problem-solving approach better than those who use ordinary learning. Number 3, the implementation of the learning step using a problem-solving approach in the field so that the learning process is going well, that students are more creative in solving mathematical problems. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Next video, bye-bye.